How to change or add your phone number on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change or add phone number to Discord. So first thing, go to Discord. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this option right here. Click on it and now go to my account option here, the second one. Click on my account and now it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find the phone option. Just click on it like this and you will be able to add your phone number. So all what you have to do is click on phone number and add it from here, easy and fast, and click next and confirm it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.